people and longer the people said to the king.
Okay, wipe your mouth.
The giant will live with us and with stronger, and the giant will destroy us. As the other people said.
Right.
And the king sent many soldiers to kill him. And the man hear that, and the man
Gulliver.
night the man take out the ship up the red team.
Yes. They
And bring it to the red team.
So they won, right? And Gulliver.
Finally, the next morning, the people see him at the island.
Yes.
And the people see the boat. The people thanks him to bring back the boat for him.
Yes, really. In the other island, the people were so good to him, right? There was a kind gesture, right? Kindness, right? In Lilliput, some of were kind, some were not kind. But then, all in all, Gulliver was helping the two kingdoms, and later on he went home, right? And because in the ocean, I think a big ship there was coming, and the captain helped him. Am I right, Anthony? Okay, so he was brave, right? Okay. Oh, be careful with to. Oh, okay, very good. The two of us. Thank you, Lord, for the lollipop of Anthony and Teacher Rose. Okay. But after that, you have to brush your teeth and drink a lot of water, right? So that your teeth will not decay.
Clean.
Yeah, it will be clean, of